Or you have symptoms with your Vitamix. I have a 64 ounce Vitamix. We haven't really used it a whole lot, but it appears like there's something happening. Let's take a look. So I have it in the cleaning mode where some little bit of soap and water in here. Oh, it is hardly turning. My gracious. What's wrong with it? You smell that? Do you smell that? There was smoke coming off of it. I don't want to turn it back on with the fear of burning up the motor. When I took that off, all kinds of black stuff come out from under it, which is, you can see the black stuff on here too. So is your Vitamix quit working on you? Smoke rolling out of it, making lots of crazy wacky noises? Well, you're at the right place because that's what's happening to me. Look at my fingers. We're going to troubleshoot this together and we're going to figure out what's wrong. Why spend hundreds or thousands for a brand new one when we can fix this one? Give this video a thumbs up if you're in the same predicament as me, and let's explore it together. You probably already saw the video of us changing out this blade and the bearing assembly in the bottom, but now we are going to change out the base, this round bracket sprocket. Where would the black be coming from? Obviously something is rubbing or something is tight. So my guess is, as I look at it, and sometimes these go bad too. They're real easy to change. If yours is bad, some of the symptoms, the reason why it goes bad is if it's turning and you pull this off, or you're wiggling back and forth trying to, which I think I do that sometimes, trying to get the ice to move in there. That strips out these in here. Also, sometimes it's the blade and the bearing inside that housing and the canister. It freezes up and don't turn very well. And that's from putting this canister in the water and it gets inside and freezes up bearing. If that's your symptom, go ahead and click up in the top right hand corner and that'll take you right to that video. But for right now, we're gonna change out this rubber base. Here's the new part that came in. It came in this little packaging, came right from Vitamix. You got your instructions here. You can go ahead and look at those if you'd like, but I'm going to explain to you how easy it is to do it. And here's the piece that goes in here. As I explained before, how this is worn out. Basically, it comes with a new set screw. Well, it's not really a set screw, it's a screw that holds it together, and a Allen wrench. So basically, yep, you want to take off that rubber piece, and then somewhere here along the edge, you want the privilege of doing that, Levi, figure out where that, so it's on the back side. Let me turn the light on here so I can see. Oh, it does have an arrow there. You can kind of see. Right here's the arrow with a circle around it.
No, right here on the actual thing. Too.
Oh, on the rubber, or on the sprocket itself. Did you get it? There you go. Comes out of there just like that, and we can see, when you see it's up and close and personal, how those teeth in there are really worn down. So did you go ahead and put a new nut on, Levi?
Well, there's a nut threaded.
There's a nut in it already. So just put that back over there. Make sure that set screw is lined up with this groove like the other one was when you took it off. And then Levi's going to use that handy dandy Allen wrench and tighten it back up. I wouldn't go too tight to where you strip it out. There you go. And then we had that little plug that come with it. It was in a little bag like this, and that goes in that little hole where your Allen wrench inserted into, and that keeps liquid from entering into the motor from the bottom of it if it spills down over this. And put that rubber piece back over it. Like that. Turn it around, and then we want to put the lid on, or put on the canister. So we'll pour some water in here. You don't want to run it dry. Wow. It runs a lot better, doesn't it?
A lot better.
Now you're ready to make some smoothies, right?
Sounds a lot better.
It sounds like it did when it was brand new. So I hope you learned something. It was pretty easy. Now there's not many videos out there on the internet or instructions how to do this. So I went into it blind and it ended up working out pretty good. So we went ahead and tried it. Works beautiful. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Until the next time, you have yourself a great day.